Facebook Messenger swipe to replay not working on your iPhone? No worries, here's an advanced guide on how to fix that swipe to replay not working problem on your iPhone. This is very quick and easy, so let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you are up to date. To do this, update your Facebook app. Open the store. Search Facebook Messenger. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Messenger app. After that, check whether your problem is solved or not. If you still have the problem, then follow the next solution. Offload the Facebook app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the app, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Now check again. Delete and reinstall the app. Tap and hold the Facebook Messenger app. Tap Delete. Now delete this app. Now open your App Store and reinstall the app again and see if that works or not. So this is how you can solve the swipe to replay not working issue on your Messenger app. If you still have any more questions, then please write them down in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.